Hey guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. So last week I had gone to my hometown Delhi to visit my parents, and since I was in Delhi after such a long time, so I had to go to Sarojini Nagar market. Now those of you who stay in Delhi or anywhere near it, you would definitely be knowing about Sarojini Nagar market. But for those of you who are not familiar with it, let me tell you, you must visit this market if you happen to visit Delhi anytime. Because Sarojini Nagar is heaven for shopping. You get such trendy clothes here of the latest styles in fashion and of the best brands, and the best part is that you get all these at very cheap prices. Now how this market works is that the sellers here buy the export surplus products in kilos. So export surplus products are products which are manufactured in India for the purpose of exporting, but during export they get rejected because of some minor defects. So these products are bought by the sellers in Sarojini Nagar market by kilos in weight. So they sell these at very cheap prices, but believe me, these defects are so insignificant that they are hardly visible. So you can get very good dresses, shorts, skirts here at prices as low as ₹100. So there are some tips that you should keep in mind when you go to Sarojini Nagar market for shopping, which I'll be telling you about at the end of this video. And before that, I'll be showing you all the stuff that I've brought from there this time, and also the prices that I bought them at. It was really hot in Delhi this time, so I could buy only 6 things. Otherwise, I'm sure I would have bought many more. So the first thing that I bought from there is this top. It's like a cape top, and trust me, cape tops are like the latest trend, but these are very difficult to find in India as of now, and I found this in Sarojini Nagar. So this is how it is worn. So there's another way of wearing this, like I'm wearing here. So here I have not taken my arm out of this hole, instead I have taken it out of the second opening, and so this is how it looks. And I got this top for only ₹300. I'm sure I could have got it at even lesser price if I had the time to bargain more, but I was in a rush because I was in Delhi for a very limited time, so I had to rush back to home. The second thing that I bought is again a top, basically a high-low top with a high neck. So this is the back side and this is the front, and it has got these multicolored tassels. I just love this color combination, and this top I got for only ₹150. Yes, the person who was selling it had originally quoted a price of $450, but I managed to bring it down to ₹150. And it's such a different looking piece that it will definitely make people turn and look at you when you wear this. The next thing I bought are these white shorts. I've been wanting white shorts for quite some time, but the problem with everything I find is that these tend to be very transparent. But the material of this shorts is so good. It is so soft first of all, and not transparent at all. This cost me ₹300. Although again I think I could have bargained more on this, but I had only 2 hours to shop in that scorching heat of Delhi. The next thing that I bought is this long jacket with pockets on both the sides. Now long jackets are very much in trend these days, and Sarojini Nagar market was full of these. And I just love these because these come so handy. You can wear this on anything. Whether you're going to a beach and you're wearing a camisole, a tank top, you can wear it over that. If you're going to watch a movie and you think you're going to feel cold because of the AC, then you can carry this with you. You can wear this with jeans, with shorts, with anything. And this I got for only ₹100. Okay, the next thing that I got is this bag, which is my favorite of all the things that I bought. I just love this color combination of blue and tan, and the material, even the material on the inside is so good. And the finishing of the bag is also very flawless. There are actually 2 ways of carrying this bag. The first one is like this, and the second way is to put these like this. So this bag cost me ₹650. The seller had originally quoted a price of $950, and he eventually agreed to give it to me at $650. But you know what? I found the exact same bag online on a very popular site. I can't name the site, but they are selling it at more than double the price at which I bought. So I'm very happy with this purchase. And the last thing that I bought is this skater skirt. with a zip on the side. As you can see, it's a divided or a divider skirt, so very comfortable to wear, and the material and the feel of this skirt is very good. And again, I bought this at ₹300. Okay, so now coming to the tips that you must keep in mind when you go to Sarojini Nagar. First, in Sarojini Nagar, you will find lots of clothes piled one on top of the other. So you really have to have a keen eye to pick out the best of the clothes. So my suggestion to you is that before going to Sarojini Nagar, make a visit to a nearby mall and visit stores like Zara, Forever 21, which have the latest trends, so that you know what is in trend, what is in fashion, and what you should look out for in Sarojini Nagar market. Or you can even scan online to see what's trending these days. Second tip is, when you go to Sarojini Nagar market, you will find two types of shops there. One will be like proper shops which have a name, which have a billboard, which are like any other shop. In these shops, you won't find the kind of prices that I'm talking about. Here the prices are comparable to prices in any other market and in any other shop. So if you want to buy clothes at the kind of prices that I have shown you, then you have to go to these sellers who are either sitting on the road, or who have displayed their clothes on the walls, or who have these nameless small little shops. These are the shops at which you will find these kind of clothes. Third tip is, bargain shamelessly. So if the seller says certain thing is for 400, straight away tell him that you will buy it at 100. You have to bargain that hard. Fourth tip is, since you won't find any trial rooms there, so you must check with the seller if you can come back and exchange the item in case it doesn't fit you. And you have to ask the seller the number of the shop, because these shops don't have names. So you ask him what is the number of the shop, so that when you come back, you can locate the shop by its number and exchange the item that you don't want. Next thing to remember is that you carry a bag with you, a big bag in which you can keep putting all the things that you buy. So this was my Sarojini Nagar try on haul. I hope you liked it. Do visit this market whenever you get a chance to go to Delhi, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Connect with me on my Twitter account and on my Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.